Did DJI just quietly make the Pocket 4 the most sensible upgrade of the year? Today we're unpacking the latest FCC filing, what it actually confirms, and why a tiny battery bump could matter more than you think. I'll cut through the leak noise, explain the real-world impact on runtime and heat, and tell you which creators should be excited and who should keep waiting. Stick around until the end because the surprising trade-offs DJI chose might make this a stealthy must-buy for casual creators. The paperwork is dry, but the headline is clear. Model O P041 matches every prior leak for Pocket 4 hardware. No glamour shots, no marketing copy, just engineering details. The big new data point is the battery. 1,545 milliamp hours at 7.7 volts, up from the Pocket 3's 1,300 milliamp hours. Connectivity flags remain familiar, Wi-Fi 5 and Bluetooth low energy, and the outline suggests no major chassis redesign. In short, DJI locked the hardware months ago and is now clearing regulatory boxes. That means the Pocket 4 is real and release timing is likely imminent. You might roll your eyes at an 18% battery increase, but here's why it matters. The Pocket form factor is tiny, so every milliamp counts. In practical terms, expect 15 to 18% more runtime under comparable shooting conditions. That translates to longer vlogs, more walk and talk shots, and fewer mid-shoot battery swaps. For creators who film multi-segment days or shoot in cold weather where batteries die faster, that added endurance is a genuine quality of life upgrade. DJI's track record also suggests they'll advertise a rounded number. Expect packaging to say something like 1,600 milliamp hours, which looks nicer, but the real win is the extra minutes when you need them. The filing doesn't scream radical redesign. The Pocket 4 likely keeps the same compact silhouette and gimbal architecture, which is fine because Pocket 3 ergonomics already work. Where things get interesting is in rumored extras. Dual camera module prototypes and a secondary display have been whispered in earlier leaks. The FCC doc doesn't confirm those features, so treat them as possible bonuses rather than guarantees. Also notable, thermal and power management refinements. DJI appears to be squeezing more capacity without expanding size or weight, which points to internal engineering tweaks, better battery chemistry, denser PCB layouts, or lighter materials. Those quiet changes are often the most meaningful for portable devices. If you own a Pocket 2 or older and rely on it for daily vlogs, travel B-roll, or quick run and gun shoots, the Pocket 4 is worth serious consideration. The extra battery life alone reduces friction for real-world use. If you were holding off on buying a Pocket 3 because runtime was a deal breaker, now's the moment to reevaluate. On the other hand, Pocket 3 owners who are happy with their workflow and don't need extra runtime should hold. The hardware appears evolutionary, not revolutionary. And if the rumored dual camera and extra screen are must-haves for you, wait for the official spec sheet because those features aren't yet confirmed. So DJI played a smart, low-risk game. Pocket 4 looks like a refined update that fixes a practical pain point without overcomplicating the design. The FCC clearance means an announcement could be days away, and the December 18th rumor fits the cadence. If DJI prices this reasonably and includes a small set of meaningful software tweaks, the Pocket 4 could quietly become the go-to compact for creators who value reliability and simplicity. Drop your thoughts below. Are you upgrading for the battery boost or waiting for bigger feature jumps? And if you want the first review the moment this launches, subscribe and ring the bell so you do not miss it.